Hi, I'm Priska Yeta from Peer Servant. I'm a scholar also from Kenya. I did my final year exam in last year, July. I graduated December 11th. Thank you for the Peer Servant Global and Kenyan chapter for the support and the idea of bringing Peer Servant in Kenya. Also, thank you for the Scott and Jill for their support and care and understanding and financial support. Thank you for Mom Leslie and each and every one who stood by my side and supported me. Thank you for also having everything that they are doing to ensure that people are okay. I also want to just give God the glory for everything. I still pray that the Peer Servant should continue with that heart of supporting and helping people. And thank you.